In this video, I'm going to teach you how to split screen on Fortnite on the PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do in order to split screen on Fortnite on your PlayStation 4 or even the PlayStation 5 is to first go into the lobby and don't queue up. Get a second controller and make sure that it is connected to your PlayStation 4. You can connect it to a wire or just use it wirelessly. As long as the controller is connected to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you are going to get this warning on your screen telling you to add a user to the second controller. So all that you have to do is assign the controller to any user, and as long as you, the player 1, has a user and also the second player has a user assigned, when they press the triangle button and they hold it in, they will be able to connect to the lobby. Both of you will appear in the lobby and you can choose the mode that you want to queue for. So, go ahead, select between duo and all the other modes, and once both of you are ready by pressing the triangle button on your controllers, you will be able to start the match and split screen will be automatically set up. Make sure that you assign the controllers properly, and as long as they hold the triangle button before you match, you will be able to play any map, any mode on split screen. Make sure that they appear with you on the lobby and start queuing up. I hope I was able to help you on how to split screen on Fortnite on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.